Hello everyone, myself Vaibhav Verma and I am a part of Lexus and Company as a legal intern. And in this video, we are going to talk about on a topic of remedies for breach of contract. This is the part 2 of the topic in which I am going to cover the other two type of remedies which is given under Indian Contract Act. Number 2 remedy is a decree for specific performance. Section 10 of the Specific Relief Act provides that specific performance means fulfilling a promise made under a contract as agreed. A suit for specific performance can be filed by any of the party in a court of competent jurisdiction who has suffered loss due to non-performance of the contract on the part of the other party to the contract. Section 10 of the Specific Relief Act in 1963 states that there are 7 cases when specific performance to contract of a contract may be allowed by the court. Number 1 is when there is no standard for ascertaining actual damages, which is when it is impossible to quantify the actual damage caused by the non-performance of the act agreed to be done, the courts upon its discretion grant a decree of specific performance of that part. Number 2 is when monetary compensation would not afford adequate relief. When the act is agreed to be done is such that compensation offered money for its non-performance would not afford adequate relief. So, in this case, the court can provide a decree for specific performance when the compensation offered by other party in monetary terms will not be adequate relief to the aggrieved party. Third one is suit for enforcement of a contract to execute a mortgage. In a suit for the enforcement of a contract to execute a mortgage or furnish any other security for the repayment of any loan which the borrower is not willing to pay at once, specific performance may be allowed. However, where only part of the loan has been advanced by the lender, he must be willing to advance the full amount of loan. It is important to remember that specific performance is an equitable remedy and that is left to the discretion upon the court rather than the right of person by law. Now let's see last remedy for the breach of contract, that is injunction. Injunction can be defined as a judicial process by which one who has threatening to invade or invaded the right of another is restrained from continuing or commencing such wrongful act. Under section 36 of the Specific Relief Act, injunction is defined as an order of competent court which forbids the commission of threatening wrong, forbids the continuation of a wrong already begun, command and restoration of status quo, that is the former course of things. Under section 36 and 37 of the Specific Relief Act, there are two type of injunctions. Temporary and perpetual, whereas section 39 governs mandatory injunction. Number 1 is temporary or interim injunctions, which are governed by the order 39 of the Civil Procedure Code, and these injunctions that remain in force until a specific period of time, for example 15 days, 14 days or till the date of next hearing. Such injunctions can be granted at any stage of the suit. Next is permanent or perpetual injunction, as under section 38 to 42 of the Specific Relief Act are contained in the decree passed by the court after fully hearing the merits of the case. Such an injunction permanently prohibits the defendant from committing an act which would be contrary to the plaintiff's right. So we can say that permanent injunction can be granted by the court after hearing the merits of the case. And last one is mandatory injunction, which are granted in the case where, in order to prevent the non-performance of an obligation, it is necessary to compel the performance of certain acts which the courts are capable of enforcing. So the court, upon its discretion, grant an injunction to prevent such non-performance and also to compel performance of the obligation by the parties. Thus, this injunction is applicable to the breach of any obligation. It may be permanent or temporary, although temporary mandatory injunctions are rare. I hope you like the video. Thank you.